Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your TRX cryptocurrency from Coinbase Wallet to Revolut in 2025, you've come to the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow the steps carefully to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a pro, I'll guide you through it step by step, so you can manage your assets smoothly. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Coinbase Wallet account with some TRX in it and a Revolut account that supports cryptocurrencies. Double check that TRX is available on Revolut. It's usually supported, but things can change, so verify in the app. Also, ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled on both for extra security. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Head over to your dashboard and find your TRX balance. Step 2. Select your TRX holdings and tap on the Send or Transfer option. This will prompt you to enter a recipient address. But hold on. Where do you get that? Easy. Switch to your Revolut app, go to the Crypto tab, select TRX, and choose Deposit. Revolut will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that down carefully. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Double-check it to prevent any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Then, enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Remember to review any network fees, as they can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 4. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a transaction ID, which you can use to track the progress. Depending on the Tron network, it might take a few minutes to an hour or more to reflect in Revolut. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure, and keep an eye on gas fees to avoid surprises. If you encounter any issues, both Coinbase and Revolut have helpful support resources. And there you have it. Your TRX is now on its way. This method keeps things simple and secure for 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.